little construction zone in here, but I wanted to film here today because the lighting is beautiful. It's a beautiful day, the sun is shining, the birds are tweeting outside. It's like perfect Valentine's Day weather. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Soelle and I'm here today with an unbagging. It's not an unboxing because it came in a bag. Anyway, happy Valentine's Day. I want to do a quick, what I'm wearing. I'm wearing some pearl earrings that I actually don't know who made them, sorry. This beautiful silver necklace, my husband gave to me. It's from an Etsy seller. I'll link to them in the description box below. The shirt or silk sweater is from Banana Republic, and I actually bought it off of ThredUp. Clothing on ThredUp is pre-owned, so that's a good sustainable choice. And shoes, they're Asics Gel Contend 7 gray with pink accents. Oh, and did I mention my skirt is Soelle blue? Comes to just above my knees, so perfect level for modesty and cuteness. And I am on that same note, the unbagging, which you're like, oh yeah, you're gonna get back to that? I am opening fabric. I just ordered fabric from Organic Cotton Plus, and I am so excited. Oh my gosh. So without further ado, because I really can't wait. And I was gonna bring scissors out, but now you just get to watch me struggle. Oh my gosh! Okay, so I'm in white and pink. I'm so excited right now. You can probably tell by my outfit, I like pink. Gosh, what do I take out first? What do I take out first? Alright, I'm gonna show you whichever one will come out first. So it's already really soft, and it's gonna get softer when I wash it. I know that by now, but oh my goodness, look, it's nice and thick. So let me find an edge so I can open it up easily and just show you the light fastness, how opaque is it. So if you can see, it's really not very see-through at all. There's it's letting a tiny bit of light through, maybe. Oh my gosh. It's just the perfect soft pink color. And now it's getting all unfolded. It was so beautifully folded. Thank you, Organic Cotton Plus, for your beautifully packaged giant pieces of fabric. So I got 1 yard. Just trying to get a little bit closer so you can see the actual color. So the wall in here is bright white. My shirt is light pink, and then this is also light pink, but it's coming across a lot darker, I think, on the camera. But anyway, I can't wait to show you what I make out of this. It's going to be so much fun. I also got white. Now that is a bright white. Look, I mean, these walls are white, and this just is it's outdoing the wall by so much. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, so it is, I didn't say what the other one was. And you non-knowing about fabric people, this is for you because it can be kind of hard to choose if you don't know what you're looking for. So if you're just getting into sewing, here you go. So I got the 60-inch wide interlock fabric. So it's kind of like jersey, but it's not as extremely stretchy as jersey tends to be. Like, you know, with jersey, if you like pull on it, you can just stretch. Well, this is gonna be a little bit more structured. Okay, so check it out. Can you see me through that? You can kind of see my hand. Anyway, for a white, this has a lot of opacity. Let's get a little closer. So you definitely can see my hand. So I don't know if I'll need a liner, like if I make a dress, or I was thinking about making pajama pants. What I love about Organic Cotton Plus is that they have all their oeko-tex certificates posted on their website. So you can know for sure that these fabrics are certified completely safe from harmful substances, they're safe to wear, they're safe to use for baby clothes, they're safe to use closer to your body, or like in clothing that you're gonna get warm in. And so it's just completely safe. It's organically grown and safely dyed, because unsafe dyes are actually like a huge issue right now, and there's not like totally a lot of light shown on it right now, shining. There's not like a lot of light being shown on that right now, but it's really important, because like such as azo dyes, they can be really, really damaging, like carcinogenic and endocrine disruptors, and just all the stuff we don't want near our bodies, you know, because trust me, I know from experience, you do not want your endocrine system disrupted. So anyway, you just want your endocrine system to be on track, safe, healthy, and with these fabrics, I can make clothing in confidence, and these are beautiful, beautiful colors. I think they're gonna go really well together too. So if I make pajama pants or yoga pants with like in white, but with like pink accents, that's one of the things I'm thinking about. And vote in the comments, please. Vote between that and doing like a white dress with pink accents. Then I'm probably going to use like leftover bits of fabric to make other stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna go put these beautiful fabrics away, and I just wanted to wish you a really happy Valentine's Day. I hope that regardless of whether you are coupled or not, that you have a beautiful day filled with love. I wish you all the best, and bye. See you next time. Wishing you love, joy, and connection. Happy Valentine's Day. You're it is supposed to be, what's it called? That just sounds wrong.